Nothing kills momentum faster than this. You spend hours building the perfect TikTok shop listing and then TikTok rejects it. No sales, no traffic, just a big red violation notice staring right back at you. And here's the scary part. Too many rejections and TikTok can flag your entire account. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your products compliant so your listings get approved fast and stay live. What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle from Ecommerce. In this video, I'm going to walk you through TikTok shop product compliance so you can avoid listing rejections, protect your account, and get your product selling without all the headaches. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand why TikTok rejects your listings, how to fix the most common compliance issues, and how to set up your products the right way the first time so you never lose momentum. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about why this is such a big deal. A lot of beginners treat compliance like annoying red tape. They just want to list their products and start selling. But here's the problem. TikTok Shop is a marketplace, and marketplaces protect their customers aggressively. If your listings break the rules, even by accident, TikTok will reject it. This is important because rejections don't just slow you down, they damage your account health. TikTok tracks how often you violate their policies. Rack up too many violations and you risk losing selling privileges, getting products delivered, or even having your account suspended. So compliance isn't about just getting one listing approved. It's about protecting the entire business that you're building on the platform. When you understand the rules, you list faster, avoid penalties, and you build a stable shop that TikTok actually trusts. Before we fix anything, let's make sure you understand the concept. Product compliance simply means that your listing follows TikTok Shop's rules around what you can sell, how you describe it, and what claims you make about it. There are three main areas that TikTok looks at. First, prohibited and restricted products. Some products just aren't allowed, and others need special documentation or approval. Second is listing content. This covers your titles, image description, and category. Misleading or inaccurate content gets flagged. Third, product claims. This is huge. You can't make claims that you can't back up, especially in categories like health, beauty, or supplements. Here's how it works behind the scenes. TikTok uses automated systems to scan your listings against these rules. If something trips the system, your listings get rejected before they go live. Understanding these three areas are key to passing every time. Alright, let's walk you through how to make your listings bulletproof. Before you list anything, go into TikTok Shop sellers policies and review the prohibited and restricted products list. Why does this matter? Because some products are just flat out banned, and others require certificates or approvals that you might not have. Behind the scenes, listing a restricted product without the right documentation guarantees a rejection. So checking first saves you from wasting time on a product that you can't even sell. A common beginner mistake here is thinking that if you can buy it from a supplier, you can sell it on TikTok. That's not true. Always verify it first. When you create your listings, always make sure that you select the most accurate product category. This matters more than people realize. TikTok applies different rules to different categories. If you list a supplement under the wrong category to dodge rules, the system will catch it and reject it. Behind the scenes, the category determines which compliant checks get applied. Picking the right ones means that your listings get reviewed under the correct standards and passed cleanly. Now write your title and description carefully. Keep them accurate and clear. Describe exactly what the product is. Keep it accurate and don't stuff in misleading keywords. This is important because vague or deceptive listings get flagged fast. Here's the strategy. Be specific and honest. A title like Vitamin C Serum for Skin Hydration 30 ml is clear and compliant. Something like Miracle Serum that erases wrinkles overnight is just asking for rejection. Now this is where most beginners get destroyed. Never make medical, health, or guaranteed result claims unless you have certified proof. Words like cures, treats, guarantees, or FDA approved are massive red flags if you can't back them up. Why does this matter? Because false claims aren't just a TikTok problem, they're a legal problem. TikTok supports itself by rejecting anything that sounds like an unsupported claim. So focus on benefits and features and not promises you can't prove. Make sure that your product images are clean, clear, and accurate. Not misleading photos, no watermarks, no images that don't match the actual products. Behind the scenes, TikTok scans images for quality and accuracy. Blurry, watermarked, or stolen stolen images often trigger rejections. This matters for sales too. Clean images often build trust and converts better. So you're solving two problems at once. If your product is in a regulated category, upload all required certificates and documentations upfront. This includes things like safety certifications, ingredient lists, or compliance documents depending on the product. This matters because TikTok won't approve regulated products without proof. Having your documents ready means faster approval and less back and forth rejections. Let me share a few habits that keep or make your shop clean. First, read the policy updates regularly. TikTok changes its rules often. What was fine last month might get flagged today. Second, when in doubt, be conservative with your claims. It's better to underpromise and stay compliant than to overpromise and get banned. Third, keep your documentation organized in one folder so you can upload it instantly when you list a new product. Fourth, monitor your account health score inside Seller Center. It tells you exactly how compliant your store is. Now let's cover mistakes I constantly see. Mistake number 1, copying competitor listings word for word. If they're making non-compliant claims, you'll get flagged too. And copied content can trigger a duplicate violation. Mistake number 2, exaggerated claims. This is the number 1 cause of rejections, especially in beauty, health, and supplements. Mistake number 3, wrong category selection. Either by mistake or on purpose, this almost always gets caught. Mistake number 4, ignoring documentation. Trying to sell regulated products without certifications is a guaranteed rejection. And mistake number 5, ignoring your account health. Beginners rack up violations without even realizing they're destroying their own store. Let me make this real for you. Let's say you're selling a collagen supplement on your TikTok shop. The wrong way, your title says anti-aging miracle cure that reverses wrinkles. You throw it into a random category and skip the documentation. The result? Instant rejection plus a violation on your account. Now the right way, you title it Collagen Peptide Supplement for Skin and Joint. You select the correct supplement category, you upload your ingredient list and safety certificates, and you describe the benefits without making medical promises. Result: approved, live, and selling. Plus, your account health stays clean, which means TikTok keeps showing your products to more buyers. Same product, completely different outcome. The only difference was compliance. Here's the bigger lesson I want you to take away. Compliance isn't about jumping through hoops to please TikTok. It's about building a business on solid ground. When you follow the rules, TikTok trusts your shop. Your listings stay live and your account stays healthy. The sellers who treat compliance as an afterthought are always one violation away from losing everything that they've built. The sellers who master it, they build stable, long-term shops that TikTok actually rewards with more visibility and sales. So don't see compliance as your barrier, see it as your competitive advantage. Most people are too lazy to get it right, and that's your opportunity. Quick recap. Always check the prohibited product lists before listing. Choose the correct category every time. Keep your titles and descriptions accurate and honest. Never make claims that you can't back up. Upload clean images and all required documentation. And monitor your account health to protect your shop long term. And if you don't have TikTok Shop set up yet, check the link in the description below for the best current deals. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Ecommerce. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content just like this. My name is Kyle from Ecommerce. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.